What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Gotti's Garage. In today's video we're going to do a rear cat on this 2019 Chevy Traverse. It has a 3.6 in here, and then once I get this up in the air I'll show you where it broke. But it broke right at the flange. It's a man inverter, so we're going to replace it with this Dorman. Here's part number and everything, and I'll show you the process on the head camera and give you guys kind of like a point of view on this one. So down in the comments below, let me know what you guys think about this camera angle, or if you like the magnetic one better. Alright, I don't know if you can see it up there or not, but it's broken right there, which once we get it down here, it'll be a lot easier. But first what we're gonna do, you gotta take this bolt off and this bolt off. We gotta take these bolts off right here. This whole thing's coming off, obviously right here. So we're gonna probably just cut it right here to make it easier to pull off. And then we gotta take these bolts off right here too, so we can get this whole, pipe out of the way, so this cat will fit through here. And then we gotta take O2 sensors off. And then once that's off, it looks like the flange is broke up there, so it's just the 4 bolts for where the manifold bolts up to the head, and then that should be it.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then.
Alright, so that's where it broke. Chances are it broke because this little bracket right here broke, and there's just too much flex in the system. It broke that, and that makes that a lot easier to get to, but you see also where it broke. So then you get these 4 15mm bolts to pull out, which I pulled one out. Couldn't get the other ones out with it lopsided like it was in there. Alright, we got that top piece off. Now comes the hard part of putting everything back in one solid piece, which there's not a lot of room to work, but I will attempt to record that. I don't know how I'm going to exactly. There's not a lot of room in here, but I'll try to do my best. If not, I'll kind of explain the process of going through it, and hopefully that will give you guys the idea and help you. So it comes with a new gasket, new lower gasket to the downpipe, whatever you want to call it. And it looks like it comes with 2 new studs, which is nice because all the nuts that came off of it, the stud came out with it. So at least we'll be able to hang everything on there, make it easier. All the new cats come with these plugs. I always keep those because those are good if you need to weld on bungs for any like aftermarket stuff. Where is it? So get that off so we can put the O2 sensor
I
in.
won't regret it, I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous.
Alright, everything's in. No real tips or tricks other than getting a guy with a small arm to fit his arm right through there so you can get the studs started and the nuts started. And then you go in with this, or if you have an electric ratchet, that'll be a lot easier. Take off your big battery. There's a little small one so you can fit everything in there and tighten that side up. The other side, you just use a ratchet and a swivel, and then the top nut right up there, this one, that one. I used a stubby ratcheting wrench to get that, and then made a little mistake, and those studs are actually for the bottom there, which I should have known that, but I got excited. So since I kept those other ones, we'll just use the old ones for right there. So not a big deal. So now let's just put everything back together. Now I'm going to switch to GoPro angle and put you on a magnetic mount, since everything is kind of, you know, down here, and it'd be a lot easier for you guys to see.
Don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I don't show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, isn't that spitting slow, spitting fast.
Alright, that exhaust pipe over there is welded up. Everything's bolted up, so as long as those gaskets sealed, then we should be good there. That little brace right there in the middle that broke, that I think caused that issue, I welded that one up too. So it should be good to start it up and make sure there are no exhaust leaks. Alright, just cleared all the codes. Definitely sounds like an exhaust leak, so I gotta lift it back up and check that out. Alright guys, so the exhaust leak that was noticed earlier, on the top of that exhaust pipe that I welded, sorry, this GoPro might be going crazy, I have the stabilizer on though, but, I just missed a little spot on there, so I ended up just welding that up, threw some muffler cement on there just in case for some pinholes, and we're out on a test drive now. Even though it was a cat, we still, you know, test drive the vehicles. But I hope this video helped somebody. I hope this video helped you if you're watching this video to try to figure out ways to do this, because it is not a fun job. Called for 5 hours, I believe. I got it done in about 2 hours. So it's not that bad. It looks bad. But anyways, I hope this video helped you, and if you guys could hit that subscribe button. It's getting me up to 10,000 subscribers. I just broke 6,000 at the time of this video, so 10,000 subscribers is the goal. Give this video a thumbs up, because every thumbs up actually helps my video in the algorithm, and people will be able to see it, and hopefully it's somebody who is searching for a educational video on how to do this job. So remember, this was bank 1 catalytic converter, and basically it broke off at the neck, and I'm guessing that it's because that bracket broke, and all the vibrations and everything, you know, collected right there, and it was the weakest point in, you know, the catalytic converter. So hit that subscribe button, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay different, and I'll see you next time.